How to get an invoice from Nike. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can get an invoice from the Nike app. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open the official Nike website or the Nike app on your mobile and make sure you are logged into your account. Look for the order you placed in the past. After that, click on the Help Center option from the right-hand side of the screen. Over here on the Help Center page, scroll down to find the Chat with Us option under the Contact Us tab. Then click on Chat with Us and the Nike chatbot will open up for you. Now simply enter your first name, last name, email address, and explain your problem about not receiving an invoice for your order. Then the Nike support team will assist you in getting your invoice as soon as possible. So that's how you can get an invoice from Nike. That's all for this video.